Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to change a home ceiling air filter? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, in our Back to the Basics series, we're going to change a home air filter. Now, you want to do this about once every 30 days or so to keep your HVAC system running good. It's a really easy thing to do. So, on your ceiling air filters, you're going to have probably two clips like this. You should be able to do them with your fingers, but sometimes they kind of stick, and you might need a flathead screwdriver. So once you lower it, it's going to be it's going to hang from there, and then you want to take out your old air filter. It's that simple. Usually they'll stick up there a little bit, but you can look at it and see if it's dirty. This one's not too bad. We're going to go ahead and swap it out anyway. So you want to take your new one, and your new one's going to have the size of it. So you go to the store, you want to make sure you get the right size. Maybe take a picture of the old one. And then you're also going to see arrows, and the arrows are going to point which direction the airflow goes. So when you see the arrows go up with the airflow, you're going to push it up, straight in. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put your return back up, close it up, dust it off if you want, and there you go. You're good for another 30 days. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Be sure to hit that subscribe button in the bottom right, and appreciate all the likes and comments. Thanks for watching.